chin chin. And this. I'm also gonna be making some chin chin.
Yay!
I'm gonna be a boxing coach. So let me just take off the tape. Now cut it. Open it. I think I already did it.
Okay.
Daddy, how come you know how to do chin chin?
Chanel, shift. Wait, that yours.
I'm already done.
We got a costa. Ooh! Be careful, guys. Be careful.
Okay, wait. Yes. Calm down, Shin.
Guys have another gift that came from Auntie Kareem.
Oh, where is it? Where is it?
Open the last cupboard down. You're gonna see some tool stuff in the pack. From Auntie Kareem. So today we are unboxing gifts from Daddy and from Auntie Kareem. Okay. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yeah.
Daddy, I need help, Daddy.
Let's see. Pull it on the side this way. Ooh. Thank you so much, Daddy. You're the best. God bless you. Yeah, that's from Auntie Kareem. Ooh. Okay.
We can make this. We can make cookies.
Yeah, you can. Oh, you want to make something for Santa?
Yes, we make cookies for Santa. This can be for pie for Santa.
Okay.
This can be skyrock. What? So this can be for like a pie thing.
Okay.
And then here we have a roller.
Okay. Papa, you unboxing yours? Do you need help from
This
Chanel?
can be for like Shane.
Yeah, Shane is gonna use that. You have that, right?
And then these are just small adding things.
Yeah, little cutter.
Like, yeah. And this is for like fish. You can use this as a fish.
Mhm.
I forgot the rice, but we can use this for like.
Your chicken, yeah, or your pie. Ooh. Oh, Papa, what did you get?
I got this.
Let's see. Pull it out. That's a lot.
I got these. We got this, the stand.
Yeah, that looks so cute. Thank you so much, Coco.
Sky, that doesn't go there. That's separate. And this is a must.
Yeah, Auntie's gonna see this.
I don't know how you miss it. Give us this.
Yeah,
And Daddy give us this.
yeah. So you guys have a complete baking set.
Where's the last one? Thank you, Auntie Carrie. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Auntie Carrie.
Yeah, that looks so cute. I love it.
You can make chocolate with this.
Baby, that's cute, right?
I want that.
I love it.
Do with this. We can make chocolate.
Okay, so now it's time for us to make our. Oh. Alright guys, this was just an unboxing video.
So I hope you guys have an amazing day. That's that fun. Yeah. Peace.
Peace out. Mwah.
Mommy, have you been the ones that to make it go up so it's done? So it's like done mixing. So then it's done mixing. Little bunny, I will make a carrot. Make a carrot.
Are we ready?
What are you doing? Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, so we're just gonna wash it, then we'll proceed with our stuff. Alright guys.
Hey!
Thank you guys for watching again.
Hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, follow.
Peace out.
Yeah. Peace.